Square root of 1 plus square root 1 plus x equals to cube root of x. In this problem, at one side we have square root of another square root, and on the right side we have cube root of x. So to find the value of x, first of all, we need to balance out these roots and simplify this equation. So let cube root of x is equals to y. So x equals to y cube. So by this our equation will change to square root 1 plus root 1 plus y cube equals to cube root of x is y. Now square on both sides. So here we have y square equals to square and square root is cancelled out. So it will be 1 plus square root of 1 plus y cube. Now transfer is 1 to this side on right side. So our equation will simplify to square root of 1 plus y cube equals to y square minus 1. So now this y square minus 1 is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be equals to y plus 1 multiply y minus 1, which is equals to square root of 1 plus y cube. Now again square on both sides. So our equation will change to square root is cancelled out. 1 plus y cube equals to 1 plus 1 square multiply y minus 1 square. So now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b multiply a square plus b square minus ab. So 1 plus y cube can also be written as y plus 1 multiply y square plus 1 minus y, which is equals to y plus 1 square multiply by minus 1 square. So this y plus 1 is cancel out this 1 y plus 1. So our equation will be simplified to y square plus 1 minus y equals to y plus 1 multiply y minus 1 square, which is equals to y plus 1 multiply y minus 1 square is equals to y square plus 1 minus 2y, which is equals to y square plus 1 minus y, or y square plus 1 minus y is equals to y multiply y square plus 1 minus 2y plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. So this y square plus 1 is cancelled out and transfer this by to this side. So our equation will simplify to y multiply y square plus 1 minus 2y, and this minus 2y and this plus y equals to 0, or this is y cube plus y minus 2y square minus 2y plus y is minus y equals to 0. This y is minus y is cancelled out. So our equation has been simplified to y cube minus 2 by square equals to 0. So now take y square as common. So here we get y minus 2 equals to 0. So from this equation, we have got two options, that is y square equals to 0 and y minus 2 equals to 0. So from this solution, we get y equals to 0 and from here y equals to 2. So earlier we have assumed that cube root of x is equals to y and x equals to y cube. So x will be equals to, it is y cube. So when y equals to 0, x will be equals to 0. So when y is 2, so x will be equals to 8. So now we have got two values for x equals to 0 and 8. Now we are going to see out of this solution which is okay or which is not. So we have got two values for x, is 0 and 8. So when x equals to 0, our equation will change to square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus 0 equals to cube root of 0. So in left hand side we have got 1 plus square root of 1 equals to cube root of 0 is 0. So this is square root of 2 equals to 0, which is not possible. So x equals to 0 is not a solution for this equation. Now check x equals to 8. So at x equals to 8, our equation will 1 plus square root of 1 plus 8 equals to cube root of 8. So this is equals to 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 9 and square root of 9 is 3 equals to cube root of 8 is 2. And this is square root of 4 equals to 2. And square root of 4 is 2, which is equals to 2. So this is a possible solution for this equation, which is x equals to 8.